Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can add single quotes to data in Excel. So what we have here is some different IDs, so we've got 5 different IDs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to format those IDs with single quotes. So this is very useful, for example, if you need to copy and paste some IDs that are within an Excel spreadsheet and you want to use them for a SQL statement, like an in statement, and you've got a long list of IDs that you want to query and check. So rather than typing them all in manually and adding all the single quotes, what you can do is this. So you can do equals, and then what we're going to do is double quotes, and then a single quote, and then double quotes, and then we'll do the and sign, select the ID, then another and sign, along with double quotes, single quotes, and then more double quotes, and as easy as that, you've now formatted your IDs to have the single quotes either side of it. So yeah, you can then easily just copy and paste this into your SQL statement, for example, into your in statement, and then you can query these 5 IDs, for example, a lot quicker than having to copy and paste the ID and then add in the single quotes to each ID within your SQL statement. So saves you a little bit of time and makes your writing of the query a little bit easier. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.